Hello, Aria. This is Aria playing in her first swimming pool. She loves playing in the water. Don't you? She's in the mouth of a giant crab pool. Aria, what are you doing? Oh, splash, splash. Don't you get me wet. Oh, brr. Your little shade things blowing in the wind. Really? Aria, splash some more. Splash, splash, splash. You get yourself in the face. Okay, say bye-bye. Splash, splash.